Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the Mythical Tralalero Tralala, that also known as the brainrot fish in the classic event of Fish 8 like this. This fish can you catch in the classic island like this, and there are a few key spots that you need to visit to maximize your chance. First, just head to the outer edge of the classic island. You can fish anywhere along the shorelines here. Just walk around the islands and just cast shorelines. And then next you can go to the secret room. Just find the wall right here and walk straight to it like this. And then next you will find a secret fishing spot where like this. And then next spot is just head toward the center of island. There is an inner pool inside the island itself like this. Just fish right here. This spot also has chance to give you these fish. And okay, that's it. Those are the 3 best locations. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.